Alrighty guys, the time has finally come. The 2018 Honda Accord. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, Gonkish here, making more videos again, and today guys, we have the 2018 Honda Accord, and I want to show you guys, show off to you guys this beautiful looking vehicle and how they've like completely revamped everything on this and make it look a lot better, and everything that we've wanted from the old generation is here. Without further ado, let's get to it. So you guys already know, I love LEDs. I love LEDs on cars, and this car has plenty of LEDs, definitely. And that's what I want to show you on this channel. You guys have already seen plenty of reviews on this car, but you haven't seen in detail all of the LEDs and lighting that it actually has. The lighting on this vehicle, it's absolutely beautiful, and I want to share with you guys. So let's go zoom into it and let's check it out. Oh my gosh, look at this aggressive, beautiful Honda Accord, guys. Just absolutely amazing. The sport model right here we're looking at, and I can't get over the fact these headlights just look amazing. Look, I mean, just look at this. This thing looks like it's the Honda Accord of the future. These headlights right here are absolutely to die for. I'm not even kidding you. We've had lots of complaints on the older generation Honda Accord, even some of the 2017 Accords where they had yellow bulbs, halogen bulbs, and finally these things look insanely aggressive and insanely beautiful. Look at this. I cannot wait to turn them on and show it to you guys. But right now I'm just gonna go take a little walk around. I mean, you've probably already seen these plenty of times. Look at this car. The sculpting is just so handsome, so beautiful. You see how the car just absolutely beautiful, like nice little coupe look. Beautiful. These rims right here, amazing Honda Accord rims. Never would change those rims, guys. I would never change them. Nice little sculpting on the doors. Car manufacturers love to do these sculptings now, make it look a lot more aggressive, and that's what this car screams to me. Screams aggression. It is wearing the Honda Accord badge, and this is the sport model. Definitely the sport. You guys already know. I think the sport is actually the best in terms of value and also what you get for the vehicle. We're gonna go inside also and check it out real quick. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Has a little nice shark fin up there for the antennas, and we're back out here in the front of the car, and you can actually see the Honda sensing on the bottom right here, and you can read it, Honda sensing, as you can see, and it comes, I think, standard on pretty much every Accord now. So let's take a quick in-depth look at the actual headlights right here, guys. As you can see, it has like these jewel patterns, has this little running light right here, has a turn signal light up here, has the high beams right here. They are still halogen. High beams are still halogen for the sport, but that's okay because we don't use the high beams as much. I really want to make sure that the low beams are LEDs, and this, I can change this out easily. It's nothing too bad, but you can see the aggression of the styling. It's just amazing. On the bottom right here as well, the fog lights are these little jewel LED fog lights, super bright, super nice, and aggressive styling. You can see the black lining. They literally did not skip any detail on this one. Let's take a closer look at the tail light as well. These right here are also halogens right here. The halogens are right here, halogens are right here. However, the rest is definitely this beautiful LED sculpting on these tail lights right here. We're gonna check it out in a second as well. There's still LEDs that you can put into the car, you know what I mean? You can put LEDs in here, you can put LEDs in here, but for the most part, you know what I mean, the actual car still looks absolutely beautiful, LEDs or no LEDs. So we have the key right here. I'm gonna unlock it. Oh, look at those. You can already see it. I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's gonna look amazing. I'm gonna open this door. Oh my gosh, really nice black interior, absolutely beautiful, gorgeous interior, guys. Look at this. Look at the buttons on, even the buttons on here are completely refreshed. Nice looking buttons with these brushed aluminum tips right here. Gives it a more classy look, classy touch. And also this door handle is feels really good just opening the door. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take it inside real quick. Let's shut this door as well. And there's a nice little chime now giving to you from the interior of the vehicle. Very beautiful, guys. Look at this interior. I'm gonna turn on some lights here. Look at the start stop button, guys. It's not really a simple start stop button. It is really beautiful how it pulses like that. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. Everything on this car has such a beautiful finish. I mean, you've probably already heard this a million times on other people's reviews. The finish is really nice. I'm loving the quality of everything. I mean, even the buttons here, I mean, you hear that I mean, you see that sound right there, it's so beautiful. Even the knob up here, it feels really nice to the touch. And this is the sport model, so they do leave out certain things, like the sunroof is not there on here and stuff like that. But if you get the higher trim, obviously you're gonna get the sunroof and stuff. Now that you've seen most of the stuff, I mean, there's plenty of stuff that I can actually go around, but I want to get to the LEDs. I want to get to the lighting, and I want to show you how these lights look. So we're gonna turn on the car right here, and you can see when I push the brake, the pulsing is gone and it looks just, you know, solid. Let's get straight to it. Oh my goodness. Let me turn off the AC there. Look at that. The dashboard looks absolutely beautiful. Everything in here. Look at these LEDs, guys. Look at even the LED right here. It turns red. So what I'm going to do is turn on some of these lights right here. Let me turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights right there. As you can see, this right here is a screen, and this right here is an actual tachometer. So it looks absolutely flawless. In the camera, you probably can't even tell that which one is a tachometer and which one's actually a screen. And then if I do it on sport, as you can see, it changes to red and it changes the tachometer. And if I bring it back to eco, as you can see, it turns green and stuff. Really awesome looking feature, I have to say. Big huge center console. There's still stuff that I can tell that they brought from the 2000, you know, my 2013 Honda Accord, like these little switches right here. You know, they could have done a better job, obviously, and they even brought this from there, the, you know, center console. It's yellow. You guys already know we want it white, but it's a simple fix, you know what I mean? It's simple, it really is. And the links to everything to require to change these bulbs, I mean, they're very similar. They're the same pretty much. It's gonna be in the description below. You guys already know that. And you see this thing too. You can change that to make it white, make it look clean, guys. Make it look clean. So now let's go outside the car and show you the actual headlights, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at those jewels. And they call it headlights. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. The lighting on this car is absolutely amazing, and you can see the fog lights as well. Really bright fog lights, really nice looking headlights. Let me bring it really close. Everything on here I want to make sure is LEDs, guys. You can see nice little LEDs going right here. Absolutely love this turn signal right here, and the jewels looking beautiful. Look at that. And I believe that this is just one bulb and it's just a bunch of reflectors, but still it looks absolutely amazing, and the light output is truly amazing, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. You can't say the fact that this, you know, front end of this looks extremely aggressive. Very aggressive styling. Let's take it to the back real quick here. And the back LEDs right here, taking styles from, you know, Lexus, BMW, which is not a bad thing, you know what I mean? Those cars are absolutely beautiful, and you can see, look at this waterfall effect lighting right here. Clean and just beautiful looking. I love it, guys. Love it. Nice little waterfall effect. I love that. Very clean and smooth looking. I'm gonna turn on the actual parking lights now. There we have it. I mean, this is how the parking signal lights, whatever you want to call it, looks, guys. I mean, just amazing looking LEDs right here. Amazing looking LED right here. It's a full strip that lights up beautifully. Let me take it to the other side right here. Look at that. I love these turn signals. They're so beautiful, so clean, so elegant. When you're from far away, you know, when you're driving past this car, it's just like, whoa, what car is that? I'm gonna take it to the back here, and you can see these are the similar, you know, halogen turn signals right here, but that's okay. You know, you can always replace them out and get some better LED ones if you require it, if you want it to make it look a lot crisper. And that's a simple little fix, you know what I mean? That's one thing I like about this car. When I had the 2013 Honda Accord, I had to change out a ton of bulbs and to get it to look really nice. For this right here, I mean, you just have a few bulbs, like 1, 2, maybe some in the inside and the trunk maybe to change it out, and you'll be good to go. Look at that. So these are the actual turn signals, halogen. I'm not gonna lie, they don't look too bad. They don't really look too bad. The halogen bulbs on here that are the turn signals, they really don't look too bad. It's just that if you want the LEDs, it will give it a more crisper turn signal pretty much. So I got my friend in the car right now, and basically what he's gonna do is show you guys the actual brake lights. So ready? Hit the brake lights. There we go. As you can see, really nice brake lights right there. LEDs, I gotta say, that's what I want, you know what I mean? It looks so beautiful. You got some bulbs up there as well. I'm not too sure if they're LEDs or not, but they still look absolutely beautiful. And then you got some bulbs right here. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Super bright too. Really nice looking color. What I'm gonna do is also have him turn on the reverse lights. As you can see, look at that. They're still yellow, you know, like the yellow color, kind of white-ish yellow color reverse lights, but they still look really decent. However, if you want those white LEDs, you guys already know the links are in the description below. It's a simple change, simple fix, and it'll make it look even better. Absolutely amazing. Not bad, not bad. I like these lights a lot, actually. Alrighty, guys, we got the Honda Accord right here, and it's at night. Look at how beautiful those headlights look. My microphone on my camera turned off for some reason, but however, it doesn't matter. You know, I mean, I'm recording it here. It's the same difference, but I just want to show you how beautiful these lights look, guys. I haven't even showed you how they look on the street, but I'm going to turn the camera here and look at that. Absolutely beautiful. You know, I'm still absolutely amazed at how awesome these lights look at night and even at the daylight, guys. And as you can see right now, it's nighttime. These LEDs are looking killer. Like, seriously, the look at the aggression in the LEDs, guys. Like, they're so amazing. And I also end up turning on the parking lights here just to show you guys how beautiful these parking lights look, guys. Signal, turn signals, whatever you want to call it. Look at the jewels in the actual LEDs. You can see it right there. Like I said, I believe it is actually one bulb and just, you know, just reflected on the housings, but still, look at that. The fog lights, the LEDs. Look at the powerful turn signals, guys. You know, parking lights, whatever you want to call it. Very powerful, very clean, just one line. Amazing, amazing, guys. I absolutely beautiful looking lights. And then what I'm gonna do here is actually I'm gonna take you to the back. Look how bright it is already in the back, guys. Like, seriously, it looks amazing. And I'm gonna, you know, and here I actually show you how, like, the actual you know, license plate lights, they actually are white. You know, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. And then I show you here the waterfall looking you know, LEDs for the brake lights, pretty much. Very beautiful red lights right there. I mean, I do wish that they had non-halogen, you know, LEDs basically for turn signals in the back, but you know, it's fine. I mean, you can change it out, obviously. Absolutely beautiful. And then right here, I want to show how, you know, massive the actual headlight housing is. It's so massive, so huge, so long, and so modern. It's, you know, just a killer look. The front grille, everything is just ultra beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. One thing I did notice is that the battery is a lot beefier, and they also actually encased it with some heat protection, basically, you know what I mean? Because one thing that kills batteries is heat from the engine, and it definitely encased it with that, which is a good thing. I love that fact. You know, if you want to change out the LED high beams, because these are halogen, and I'm going to turn them on right now. There we go. The high beams are halogen. You can see the yellow tint. And if you want to change them out, you're going to have to, you know, take out some of these plates maybe right here and just basically easy change it out. I'm pretty sure Honda always makes it to where it's simple, easy. So pretty sure they look awesome. I might be doing a video on replacing all the, you know, lights on here to make it LEDs, guys. You know what I mean? So don't worry. Stay tuned for that. You guys already know. Absolutely beautiful looking vehicle, guys. Honda did such an amazing job with it. I think it looks great. Alrighty, guys, that's been it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This car is absolutely just blowing my mind. Looks so beautiful. I mean, I can't stop looking at the actual turn signals right here. I can't stop looking at the actual LEDs lights that it has. Beautiful. And definitely for you guys that have this vehicle, the Honda Accord 2018 or higher, you guys want to change out those LEDs, the links are going to be in the description below. You guys already know it, to make everything LED in your vehicle. Most of the bulbs are definitely changed to LEDs, but there are a few bulbs, like I said in the video, that have not been changed. But such a beautiful vehicle, guys. I am so impressed. I keep looking at the camera screen because it looks absolutely beautiful. I keep looking at the car. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna take it for a spin. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, the links to any LEDs that you might require that your Accord doesn't have, even the 2018, as you can see, the high beams are not there, the reverse lights are not there, the halogen turn signals in the back are not there. So if you want to change it out, the vanity lights and all those, you know, bulbs, if you want to change them out, make them into you know, straight up LEDs, white lights looking beautiful. The links, like I said, are going to be in the description below. Like always, make sure sure you go check it out. If you have any questions or any concerns, make sure you email me, make sure you Facebook me, make sure you send me a message wherever, and I will make sure to try to get it to you guys. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. But other than that, guys, Keith is here saying thanks for watching and peace.